Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sandeep, and in our previous video we learned about the Active Directory, and today we will learn about the DNS server. It is also a topic under the Active Directory. So we will learn DNS server, and the topic for today is what is DNS server and what are the classification of DNS. So let's start with our video. What is DNS server? So guys, basically DNS is stand for the domain name system. It is a hierarchical system that identify a host on the internet and a private or a corporate internet block. And basically it resolve the host name to the IP address and IP address to the host name. And in case if it is resolving host name to the IP address, then forward lookup will be responsible to resolve that. And if it is resolving IP address to the host name, then reverse lookup will be the responsible. And the port number for the DNS server is 53. And let's see what are the classifications of DNS server. So guys, DNS can be classified on the basis of its function they perform, such as forwarding a query, answering a query, and lookup into the database, etc. So all these functions can be performed on a single server but in a different zones. And zone data is important because it tells to the server how to behave and communicate with other servers over the internet. Okay. And DNS classification are as mentioned below: zone master server, zone transfer, caching only, name server. So let me tell you a little bit here. Zone master, it's a authorized DNS server, and there are also two types: primary and the secondary slave. And in the zone transfer, it's a method of duplication of DNS server. And caching only, here it store the result itself, and if the same query came again for that particular host, and it will give the result instead of searching anywhere with any other server. It will fetch the detail itself and provide the result. So let's see in the detail. Zone master server. So zone master server is authoritative DNS server, and it have a database of all the data associated with particular zones, and this data is available on two servers: primary master and the secondary slave master, as I told you. So primary master, it's a authoritative DNS server and have a copy of all the domain data and respond on all the DNS query. Second is slave master. It's a backup server of the primary master server, and in case of any hardware failure on the primary server, and any activities going on the primary server and server is not available, in that condition it will respond to all the DNS query. It will come into the picture in place of the primary server and respond all the DNS query. So that is the secondary slave master. And zone transfer, it's a method of duplication. The method of duplication of DNS server is known as zone transfer. Slave master server request for data duplication from primary master server, and the portion of data which is duplicating on slave master server is known as zone. And caching only name server, this server store the result of the query that are made, and next time it will fetch the information and respond immediately instead of waiting. So this server is non-authorized for any domain, but it can perform queries only. Okay. So in this video we learn about the DNS and the classification of the DNS server. In our upcoming video we will come up with the remaining questions on the DNS, and we'll finish in next video DNS, and after that we will start DHCP. So till then guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for the watching.